Right, Mr. Burns over here has already put 1 gallon of coolant in. We probably got another 5 or so to go, maybe 6. So we'll get her filled up.
I'll grab you a couple more.
Fired up. Oh yeah, it takes a lot. And we'll go. Okay, so before we finish filling the cooling system, I do have Scotty replacing this hose because I did not like it. And we are doing our fuel filters like we discussed, Kyle. Xander's already been back there. He's got that apart. He's getting ready to put that one together. He's going to come up and do this. We are going to put a longer piece of hose here because that's no bueno. That'll also help us get hot because that will lean her out. And I have vacuum caps. I'm going to cap that like it's supposed to be. That's just dumb. Alright, so Xander was back there changing that fuel pump, or filter rather, sorry, it's been a rough day or so for me, so I'm kind of just here. I'm not even in work clothes today. Look at it's like casual Thursday. I'm getting my nice Hey Dudes all anyway. Mr. Xander, while changing that, you discovered that the hose was split.
Yeah.
So you went and got a fresh piece of hose. And then, oh, gee, I wonder why the hose was split.
Yeah, it's just digging in there.
Yep. Some hokey redneck, whoever did that, I think that was in New Mexico, Kyle was telling me. Some hokey ass redneck didn't do the job right. I'm glad that didn't decide to just go, see ya. Luckily it's back there, so there's nothing that'll catch fire much. There'll be less things that'll catch fire. Still, no bueno. No bueno. Xander put a nice fuel pump with a fresh piece of hose back in there. Fuel filter. Why did I say fuel pump? I'm not even supposed to be here today. And up here, we no longer have Billy Burnsy. Bring it up again, we'll vote on it. And there we go. Fresh filter. Nice fresh fuel line that's not kinked. And we're carefully fighting this new bypass hose. Well, better than it was. Into its location. And then we're gonna finish filling it up. Alright. Everything is nice and copacetic here. I actually pulled the thermostat housing because it is O-ringed. So I pulled it off and I actually filled the block itself to ensure we do not have any large air pockets. So that's that. I did put vacuum caps here because that looped hose was silly. And now we are getting ready to finish filling it up. What's up, Mr. Burns?
How's it looking?
Good. We're just going to finish filling the radiator and then we'll fire it up.
Look at that rag off there.
Yes, sir. Get that rag off here. It's going to be a minute, but yeah.